Hi, my name is Henk Stokbroeks, and I would like to introduce to you our enterprise services. And in particular, I would like to highlight 4 items of our global enterprise services, which are the GSC, the Global Service Center, our Cloud Enablement Services, our Intelligent Documentation, and our ICT Education. So first, our Global Service Center, of which we have 3 around the world. One is in China, one is in Romania in Europe, and one is in Mexico. And from these 3 main centers, we provide 24/7 support. We're also using technology to enhance our support. For instance, using big data analysis to more fast find the solution for a customer's problem or for a problem that one of our partners reports to us. We have also satellite tags around the world from which we can provide local language support. Second item is the cloud enablement services. Many of our customers these days are working on migrating to a cloud environment, and this can be quite a challenging exercise. Therefore, we have developed a service that helps these customers move to this cloud environment and migrating their applications and migrating their data, but also building the cloud environment with the cloud software. We're using tools, processes, but also experts in order to do the planning, design, and the migration, and later on the operation services for the cloud. So we have a whole suite of services, particularly for the cloud. It's one of our fastest growing services because so many customers are choosing Huawei to move to the cloud. The third part I mentioned is our intelligent documentation. We are going beyond the standard documentation that normally vendors provide to their customers by using, for instance, augmented reality. So rather than simply reading a document, we can provide, through scanning the barcode, an augmented reality of the product or the technology that somebody is trying to learn more about. So this type of intelligent documentation makes it much easier for customers and partners to learn about our products and to learn about our technology and how, for instance, to troubleshoot it. The fourth part is our ICT education. We have a large training and certification department that's constantly working on developing and enhancing our training material. The training material is available for all the technologies that Huawei provides, from routing and switching to security to cloud, etc. In addition to the training, we also offer the certification. For instance, the HCNA, the Huawei Certified Networking Administrator, the Network Professional, and Internet Expert. Already, over 80,000 students have achieved a certification from Huawei, of which over 5,000 have been certified for HCIE. In addition to that, we work with universities and colleges from around the world, currently almost 300, of which 25 of the largest universities outside of China, in order to help them build a curriculum that can train students in ICT. So as soon as they leave the university or the college, they are already very knowledgeable about ICT. So these are the 4 topics I want to highlight about our enterprise services, which is a global lifecycle service. And in case you would like to learn more about our enterprise services, you can always contact one of our certified partners or one of our Huawei staff. Thank you very much.